welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing meats on a stick, so I couldn't find regular meats for this, but the meats that I got today will do, and meats are being short in the stores due to the pandemic that is going on. So today I have this top round steak, so that's what I'm going to be using. It was $7.99, but I got it for $3.99 today. One of it is what I already cut up in here, but I'm going to cut this up and show you what I normally do. Cut them in cubes. If you can't find like the whole meat thing, you can still use this, it will still work. Okay, so next you're gonna need this is one onion that I cut up into 2 sections. So, and then I have my red, green, and yellow peppers, and then I have 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, and then 2 cloves of garlic right here. So this side is what I'm going to be using to do the meat on a stick. So this is what I'm going to be blending right here. So the ingredients you're going to be needing is Maggi, seasoned salt, and chicken bouillon, peanut butter, and I also have my black pepper and paprika, and also lemon juice right here. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to blend my ingredients. I'm gonna put in, let me bring you Scotch bonnet pepper. Okay, so next I'm gonna add some lemon juice. I'm gonna use that for to blend the ingredients. I'm also gonna put 1 Maggi in for now. I'm also gonna put 1 stick of Maggi for now. I'm gonna put some seasoned salt, and then I'm going to put about a tablespoon like this into the blender. Okay, so now we're going to blend. Okay, so now we finished blending the items. So now I'm going to cut my meat up and then add it into this into the rest of the meats that I got. Okay, so what you need to do is take your meat, make sure you take the fat out. So this meat is literally requested by my kids, so I'm just gonna treat them. I'm off today, so I might just well do it while I'm off and get it out the way. So that's what we're gonna be doing. So after I cut the meat up, I'm going to wash it with apple cider vinegar, and then after that I'm going to, for like 2 minutes, and then I'm going to drain the water out of the meat, and then add my ingredients and let the ingredients soak into the meat before I put them on the sticks. Okay, I'm pretty sure you guys know the sticks to use for these meats. You can use disposable bamboo sticks, or you can use metal, you know. So I have the disposable ones, I don't have the metal ones, so that's what I'm going to be using. When it's time for me to put the meat on the sticks, I will show you. I'm also going to soak my stick, you know, into water so that it won't burn. Okay, so it won't burn when you put them in the oven. So I'm not going to grill them out today, maybe next time, but I'm going to put it in my oven and let it grill. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. Okay guys, so this is the meat right here. So I'm going to dump my meat in here. I left one. So now you're going to dump your ingredients in here. Okay, and after that, if you don't have enough seasoning into this, then you need to add. I'm gonna change my gloves because you really need to get in yeah, you really need to get in when you're mixing this one. You can use your bare hand if you want to, but I chose not to because it's pepper. Yeah, it's pepper in there, so I'm not going to do that. So as you can see, I have a lot of sauce in here, so make sure you taste, make sure everything is good, you know. So, and let it sit and soak in here. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna taste, make sure all the seasonings are okay. A little bit more. Ooh, the lime is so good with this. So good. Look at that juice, y'all. You know you can use this juice for something else, right? After, you know, is left over from your meats. You can use it for gravy. I'm sorry. You can use it for gravy. Yep. Okay, you can use the sauce for gravy as well. Cook it all the way down, fry it and cook it down. But I'm only going to use this for the meat and let it marinate. So now I'm going to let this marinate, and I'm going to soak my bamboo sticks into a bowl of water. And then when it's time for me to put the meat on the stick, I will come back and show you guys. Okay, all right, look at that. By the way, the seasonings are okay. Yes. All right, I'll see you guys. Okay guys, so my meat has been marinated for over an hour now, so I'm ready to put this meat on the sticks. So what I'm gonna do is, I have my tray right here. Like I said, I'm gonna bake this inside. I'm not gonna grill it today. So I have my tray with foil on top of my tray, and then I'm gonna use a non-stick spray to spray all over my tray so it won't stick, just like that. Okay, and then now this is what I was talking about. I have my stick soaked into just water, period, just water. Okay, so I'm gonna take my sticks and then put it just like that. Take your meat, put it on, and if you want onion diced like this, you can put it on. If you don't, you don't have to, you know. So the kids don't like it on there anyway, so if you want to put it on there, fine. If you don't, it's just a choice preference. You can just do it all, but it just make the roast, you know, for some people say roast beef, it just make the meats cuter, more in that kind of form, you know what I mean? So you could do it any kind of way. You can do all peppers, you know, or you can just mix it up with, you know, whatever you have. Doesn't have to be strictly, you can just shoot it up just like that, you know. So yes guys, this is pretty easy. Oh, I can't wait to eat it. It tasted so good. Like I said before, if you're wondering what are you gonna do with that gravy, I'm not too sure yet. I don't know if I want to make gravy out of that. I don't know yet, but I know my mom usually makes gravy out of it, and I don't think I want to do that today, honestly. So yeah, so I'm gonna be doing this, and then like I said, just like that, and this is how it looks. Doesn't it look so good? And I'm just continue doing this. I'm only putting 3 per stick, which I think is enough for someone. And then I'll come back when I'm all done, and I'll put my oven on to 350 for 30 minutes and let it cook. Okay, because you want it cooked. Alright, so just like that. So good on it. So I'll come back and show you guys. Okay guys, so I am all done with my, you know, meat on a stick or sticks, yeah, whichever one. So I'm just gonna add some few juice or some of the sauce onto the meat before they go into the oven. And I also left some pieces on the side. You know, I didn't want to put all of it on the, you know, on the sticks. So yeah, I didn't want to put all. So I only left few, but most of it got on the sticks. So yeah, as you can see, it's pretty, right? So it's gonna go in now, and I will show you guys when it's time, you know, when it's all done, basically. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it in my oven now. Look how pretty that looks. And then just bake this. You can also grill this, you know, faster than baking, but for right now I'm not doing that. I'm not going outside. It's almost 100 degrees outside. Yeah, so I'm just gonna grill this, and that's it. Okay, guys, so my meat is already being grilled, cooked in the oven. So this is the final result. As you can see, you don't want it too dry, okay? You want like some of the juice, you see that, you know, to be on it instead of being too dry while you're chewing it. So yes, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Look at that. And thank you guys for watching. Look at that beautiful meat on this stick, you guys. So look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at that smoky flavor. It's good. I'll see you guys on my next one. Alright, so I'm ready to chew this one. Bye.